Welcome back to Test Automation and ChatGPT, maximizing efficiency and impact. I'm your host, Vince. In today's episode, we'll explore how ChatGPT can be used to generate test scenarios, leverage natural language processing for better test coverage, and ensure comprehensive testing with AI assistance. In our previous episode, we introduced test automation and ChatGPT, discussing their potential for revolutionizing software testing. Now let's dive into how ChatGPT can assist in test design. When designing tests, it's essential to create test cases that cover all possible scenarios, including edge cases, to ensure the software is robust and reliable. This can be a challenging and time consuming task for even the most experienced testers. This is where ChatGPT comes in. By harnessing the power of ChatGPT's natural language processing capabilities, testers can generate comprehensive test scenarios more efficiently. For example, a tester could provide ChatGPT with a high level description of a software feature, and the AI model can then generate a detailed set of test cases covering both expected and unexpected user behavior. Let's take a look at an, let's take a look at an example to illustrate this point. Suppose we're testing a web application's login functionality. A tester might provide ChatGPT with a brief description like users should be able to log in with their email address and password. From this input, ChatGPT could generate a wide range of test cases, including 1. Valid email address and correct password. 2. Valid email address and incorrect password. 3. Invalid email address and correct password. 4. Invalid email address and incorrect password. 5. Empty email address and password fields. 6. Valid email address with leading/trailing spaces and correct password. 7. Attempting to log in with a locked account. And so on. By generating these test cases, ChatGPT helps ensure that the software is thoroughly tested and can handle a variety of user inputs and scenarios. Moreover, ChatGPT's ability to understand natural language allows it to analyze existing test cases and identify gaps in test coverage. For example, it could examine a set of test cases and determine if any important scenarios have been overlooked, or if there are redundant tests that could be eliminated. This helps testers optimize their test suite and ensures that all critical aspects of the software are tested. In addition to generating test cases, ChatGPT can also be used to create test data. This is particularly useful when dealing with large data sets or when testing requires a diverse range of inputs. By generating realistic test data, ChatGPT enables testers to more effectively validate the software's functionality and performance. As we've seen, ChatGPT's natural language processing capabilities can significantly improve test design by generating comprehensive test scenarios, identifying gaps in test coverage, and creating test data. These benefits not only save time and resources, but also contribute to a more reliable and efficient software testing process. Now, you might be wondering about the limitations of using ChatGPT for test design. While ChatGPT is undoubtedly a powerful tool, it's important to remember that it's not a silver bullet. Testers still need to review and validate the generated test cases to ensure they're relevant and complete. Additionally, certain domain-specific knowledge may be required to accurately test complex systems, and ChatGPT may need guidance or input from experts in those areas. Despite these limitations, the integration of ChatGPT into the test design process can greatly enhance the overall efficiency and effectiveness of software testing. By leveraging AI assistance, testers can focus on higher level tasks, such as refining test strategies, analyzing results, and working closely with development teams to improve software quality. In the next episode, we'll delve deeper into how ChatGPT can be utilized as a test execution tool. We'll discuss how AI-driven testing can be adapted for various platforms and technologies and evaluate the performance and reliability of AI-generated tests. So stay tuned as we continue to explore the fascinating world of test automation and ChatGPT and uncover the power of AI in revolutionizing software testing. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast so you don't miss an episode. That's it for episode 2 of Test Automation and ChatGPT, Maximizing Efficiency and Impact. I'm your host Vince, and I look forward to sharing more insights into the world of AI-driven test automation with you in our next episode. See you soon.